Closing of main method. Yes or no? And we know that methods are written in which one? Class area. You can see in our example, from line number 2 to line number 15 is what? Which area? Is a class area. Line number 10 to 12 is what? Method area. Which method area? Main method area. Understood? So static variable, I'm declaring my first static variable A. Okay. Let me delete this comment. Unnecessary, it is creating confusion. But I hope you are clear with all those things. Yes. So my question is, can you guys tell me how will you create a simple variable first? What is the syntax of creating variable? What is the syntax of creating variable? Data type, variable name, and value. Okay. So the syntax of creating a variable is this one. Let's say int a and the value called as 10. Yes or no? How will you create a static variable? So to create a static variable, you have to just prefix it by the static keyword. You have to prefix the key this variable by which one? Static keyword. If you write like that, it is called as static variable. Okay, now what I will do, I will try to compile this program. I'll open the command prompt and I'll go with this one cd OneDrive, cd desktop, cd wcc3, cd cd methods, sorry, cd static, and I will compile the program javac a.java. You can see my program is compiling. Is there is any compile time error? Is there is any compile time error? No, which means whatever I have written is accepted by the compiler. Yes or no? If I access this one, if I access, if I try to execute program A, what is the output you are expecting? What is the output you are expecting? Yes, 10. How many of you, sir? 10, sir. Okay, I will compile, I will execute the program, and you can see the output is only what? Hello world. So it's very simple. If you can see here, what is the thing is? Thing is very simple. Only main method executed. Static variable is there or not? Static variable is there or not? It's there. But are we accessing the static variable? No. We are not accessing the static variable. So how, now the question is, how can I access the static variable? How can I access the static variable? How can you access the simple variable? It's very simple. System dot out dot println, and I will write A. What do you think? If I execute now, will it work? Will it give the output as 10 and hello world? Just give me 2 minutes. Till that you will think. I will be back. Yes, so what we'll do, we'll compile the program and I'll command prompt open. Yes, Java C, A dot Java. Program is compiling slowly, no problem. Java A. Okay, are we getting 10? Are we getting 10, guys? Can I say that I have able to successfully access the static variable? So the first way of accessing the static variable is directly with the help of what? Directly with the help of name. Yes or no? Am I writing anything new, something in front of a anything? Nothing I am writing. Yes or no? Only I am writing the variable name called as A. Now you can ask me question, sir. Already one variable is there, sir, local variable, sir. Now what is the use of this static variable? What is the use of static variable? That I will tell you later, but right now I'm telling you one very interesting thing about the static variable. What is that? Static variable get memory during compilation only. When you compile the program, when last program I have written Java C A dot Java, that time only what will happen? A static area is created. What will happen? In the memory, static area is created. Class static area is created. This is which area? Static area. And in that area, A got memory. First, what will happen? Variable get memory. What it will get? 10. Yes or no? This will happen in the compilation only. But when you have not written the system.out.println A, are you accessing? No. You access at runtime, but variable memory allocated during the compilation only. What about the local variable? Let's say if we are writing some variable in the main method, then for the main method, when main method will start execution during runtime, when you write Java A. Are you guys getting exactly what is this static variable? I will give you 100% clarity after some 3-4 days. But right now you can understand like that static variable is stored in one special area called as static area, or also called as class static area. Clear? Local variable is stored somewhere differently. That is not important thing. Important is where static variable get memory during compilation. Where? In the static area. If more technically you can say class static area. Understood? Everyone? Okay. Now I will do some change. Now I will do some change. I will write like this. I have just only declared, not initialize. What do you think? Error will come? Yes or no? Because last time we have seen in the variable that if you not initialize means it will give what? Error. So what we will do now, we'll compile the program. Again, I will compile Java C A.Java Java A. What we are getting? Oh, sir, my future 0. Yes or no? That is the count of pupils, sir, who loved me in this world, sir. 0, sir. Even I am not loving myself. Yes. What we are getting? We are getting 0. Why we are getting 0? Because if you will not give value to the static variable get initialized with its default value. The default value for the integer is 0. Are you guys getting? The default value for the integer is what? 0. Which means, sir, for character, what it is, that is your assignment. You have to find out all the default values for static variable. So if I talk about the syntax, what is the syntax? Syntax is static keyword data type variable name is equals to value. But sir, if in interview, sir, if he asks me what is the static, what I will tell, sir. Okay, so how we define those things? We define very nicely for the static a variable which is prefixed by the static keyword, a variable which is prefixed by the static keyword is called as static keyword. Next, it consists of default value. Yes or no? Have you guys seen the default value now only? Yes, Kalpesh. Okay. Understood this one? Yes. So this is what the definition of static keyword. Now, suppose if we give the value, let's say 20, we know the output of this program. What? We know the output of this program, but now we will try to understand that how this memory will allocate for that particular program. I am recommended you to make memory diagram as it is which I am making, else you will get confused in future. So this is my program, and you can see that when you compile the program, okay, what will happen when you compile the program in the class static area? There is one area called as static area. In the class static area, a variable A will get memory. First, it is initialized with its default value. See how I'm doing? First, it is initialized using its default value. Then it will initialize. Always you make like that, cut like that, and then write like that. Then it will initialize to the whatever the value you have given. But first it is initialized to the static variable. This all will happen when you compile the program. What? This all will happen when you compile the program. Now you are executing program by writing the instruction Java A. So we know that execution will always start from which method? Main method. And in the main method, what is the first statement? First statement is system.out.print A. So what it will do? It will go to that A. It will go to that A. What is in the A? 20. What it will print? 20. And then it go for the next line. What is the next line? Print hello world. Hello world will get printed. Main method and program executed successfully. Are you guys getting this one? Are you guys getting this one? Static. Okay. You can take the screenshot of this one. Once you write the program, please make all those diagram properly, else later you will not understand Java. Don't be like a fool. Okay. Now, in rough, in fair, wherever you want, better you make it in the fair, not in the rough. Rough is for just calculation and doing the task immediately. Small diagram you can make with pencil or pen just near to the program. Or that is the reason we are posting all the screenshots in the group. And also you can take by your own system. There is no cost for taking a screenshot. It is free from my side. Because if people can learn with the screenshot only, then what is the use of me? Java is in the Google also. Yes or no? You guys can Google. Entire notes are there for Java. This notes, that notes, books are there. YouTube tutorials are also there. 5 minutes में सिखाएगा Java. In that I will comment. Please मुझको भी सिखा दे. Yes, that okay. I'll tell you what is that. It's not full stock developer. Yeah, these students are killing. Don't look too much memes, man. Focus on Java. Yes, yes, everyone concentrate. What is that? Sir, can I write this static variable, sir, inside the main method, sir? Sir, I will write it there, sir. I will write it there, sir. Will it work? Okay, I will save the program and I will compile it. Let me, oh, 50-60 errors it has given. Reason is simple. What is that? Compiler is saying, Bhaiya, who is this static? I don't know this static. Can you see static is what? It is a keyword in Java. Keyword means what? Some predefined task is assigned to that particular keyword. That is the keyword. Okay, now sir, why it is giving so much of error, sir? One line I have written, sir, small line, sir, line number 13, sir, 4 words. But still, sir, 15, 16 line error, sir. Some people are thinking, program is of 5 line, error comes of 10 line. I will tell you why it is giving this much of big error. Compiler, what compiler will do? You know, compiler is very sincere. He is not like you. He is very nice. When compiler reading this line static, he is not able to understand. He is not able to understand because you have written it at a wrong place. Once a compiler will see the mistake, after that it will not check all the remaining lines. It will come out, it will give you the all the errors. It will not check. That is the reason after that compiler is asking who is this A, who is this A, who is this hello, who is this, everything he is asking. Understood? That is what it is giving errors like that. So one thing is clear, we cannot access it from, we cannot write that inside the method or the local area. For local area and class that is there, what is that? Local variable is there, yes or no? That already we have discussed. Okay. Understood this first one? Now second thing, I'll tell you about this one. Okay, what I'll do, I'll not mess up the programs. It's my bad habit. It's not a good development thing. Yeah, I'll create one B here. A1 will create. Yeah, hello. But done. Okay, now I'm taking one more static variable, static int B. If I will not give the value, what is the default value? 0 is the default value. Yes, because it is integer. If I make it what? Other data type, will it give the same 0? No. That you have to figure it out. Right now, just for understanding, I am giving the value A. And I'll take one more. First, I'll take one. and then I try to access. How to access the static variable? Directly with the help of name. Sir, we can access a static variable anywhere. Okay, Harshad, are you asking or are you telling me? Is it a question or a statement? Please clarify this first. Okay, you are asking? Yes. Static variable you can access throughout the class. Its visibility is inside the class. That we're gonna talk in some 10 minutes for that. Okay. First, you tell me how to access the static variable. Yes, tell me how to access the static variable quickly. By name, yes or no? We'll write B. Who is sitting in the middle of highway? Okay, please don't sit in the middle of highway. Life is very good. You will get something else later. Okay. Sir, is there is any way, another way to access the static variable? Yes, there is one more way that you can use the static variable, that is with the help of class name. What is that? With the help of class name. What is the syntax for that? The syntax for this one is very simple. Can you guys tell me what is the class name? What is the class name? So the syntax to call the what, which variable, static variable, is class name dot variable name. From this also you can do that. I'll show you. I will write system dot out dot println. I will write accessing from class name. Accessing from class name. Oh, what will happen? Accessing from class name, and I will access it by the name B. And how I am accessing this one? Directly. Access directly. Yes or no? If I get the output for both the cases as 10, can I say that there is two ways to access the static variable? Yes or no? Based on the output, can I compute some result? Yes, definitely, sir. One way already we know. If this way also we are getting the value called as B, then we can do that. Yes. Now, can you guys tell me the output of this program? Okay. How to access? With the help of class name. What is the class name? A1. A1 dot variable name. Yes, correct. Can you guys tell me what is the output of this program? Ten and 10. Are you guys confident? Okay, I'll save this program and I'll clear the console. Not there. Yeah. A1. Okay, you can see my program is compiled successfully. Now I'll execute A. Can you see that we are getting the same values both the side? Which means we can access the static variable by the two ways. What is that? First one is directly, the second one is with the help of class name as reference. And how will you call, what is the syntax? Class name dot operator variable name. That is what we have written. A1 is the class name. You can look at here on the top. A1 is the class name and B is the variable name. Clear? Is it clear to everyone? Now, you can ask me one question that, sir, only one way is there to access. Why there is two ways to access the same thing? Don't you think that the community that has developed Java is not having brain or they forgot? So they have created two ways of accessing a static variable? Answer is no. There is some reason for everything. Let me discuss the reason why there is two ways. Alright. Suppose your program, let's say this is one class you have written A. A is your class name. In that class name, there is one variable called as A. That is static. Assume it is static. How will you access it? How will you access it? Directly, yes or no? By writing A. Second, what you can write? A dot A also. Two ways are there. Yes or no? Okay. Now suppose there is one more class. There is one more class. Let's say the class name is A11. A11. It is also having the variable, static variable. It is having a static variable called as A. Now, can you access this variable? Can you access this variable? Answer is yes. We can do that. How you can do that? You can use the second way of accessing the what? Static variable. So what you can say? You can say A11 dot A. This will help you to access the value of this A11. Okay. If I am having more than one class also, let's say A12, A12. If I want to access the static variable, if I want to use the static variable, B is equals to 20 from the class A. Okay. So can I access, my question is, can I access B A12 static variable, that is this one, from the class A? Okay, Pratibha, focus on what I'm telling. We'll learn everything. Can we learn entire Java in one day? Not possible. We learn step by step. There is one way to learn Java. That is the reason. Okay, see, I'll tell you one nice thing. If you are having 100% knowledge of Java, 100% every concept, very good. I am happy. If you don't know anything about Java, what is Java only, then still I am very happy. But if you know in between the range, I will not be happy. Because half knowledge is very dangerous. Then you become dangerous for me. Half knowledge, totally danger concept. I know you guys have learned something from YouTube, tried your own, and learned from the college, learned from some other things, learned from other trainer. Not a problem. When you come into my class, only you have to remember one thing: your name, my name, Java notes. That's it. Done. That is more than enough to learn Java. Understood? Whatever you know in Java, you forward. Whatever from college, not from my lecture. I'll cut your throats there. Forgot everything and then start. What is this 86? Shraddha? I am expecting an answer in the string format, not in the number format. 86 is what? Oh, by mistake. Okay. No problem. We'll ignore your mistake. Okay, understood, guys. So what we are discussing is how we can access this B from our class called as A. What we can do? We can use the second way of accessing the reference, that is A12.B. Yes or no? If you write this one, what will happen? It will go to the A12 class. In the class, it will access the B. Are you guys understanding? Everyone? That is the reason we are having two ways of accessing the static variable. Clear? So that is what your second task. Task 2. Create the scenario and code it. Can you guys code that 3 classes in A, try to access this one, 1, 2, yes or no? It's very easy. Yes or no? Okay, you can take the screenshot of this one. Okay, I will give you better assignment. Wait. What will do? I will give you one better assignment. You will create one variable in this one also. Let's say C. If the value is 30. Now first you access A11 and A12. Then from A11 you try to access this one. You try to access this one. First you try to access this, then you try to access this one. Then from this class, try to access this A and this A also. Are you guys understanding what I'm saying? Each class you have to access all the variable for A1, A112, everything. From A11 also you have to do the same. From A12 also you have to do the same. Okay, try to do that. Please write this as a task. That code the scenario for it. If you are not able to do, tomorrow we will do that. But I know you guys can do. Please take a screenshot of this. Clear? Done, done, done. Yes. I'll create one Google assignment for that and I'll upload it where you have to upload all your this task one, task two, both. What is your first task? To find the default value of. Don't take one main method. Take main method in every class, Pawan. Okay, take the screenshot of this one, then we'll move for the next thing. Okay, if you understand this scenario, then I have one more program called as A3, A2. Yes, I am giving you 2 minutes to tell the output of this program. Okay, let me compile the program. I will save it by the name a2.java. Okay, then what will happen? First, I will compile. Oh, compile, yes. Java C a2.java. Java A2. What we are getting? What we are getting? We are getting 20. Sir, static variable A, sir. How it is getting? Okay, I will tell you why we are getting like that. For that, let me open the paint. And you are living in the room number 1, R1. Just a second. Be active in Skype. Yes, what I'm telling? Yeah, there is two rooms, R1 and R2, and you are living in the room R1. So suppose you are having one key. Every day you come in R1 and there is one drawer in which you will put your keys. But one day what will happen when you came home and you have kept it in the drawer itself. But morning when you wake up and you want to go back and you want keys, let's say these are the key of your vehicle, then keys are not there. Why keys are not there? Because in your house there is one. Who is there? There is one small kid, that is your brother. Or if it is little big, then it is Nippa also. You can call him Nippa also. Because yesterday you forget to give him 500 rupees, so he throw your keys outside the house. He throws your key outside the house. Okay, now where you will start finding the key first? Inside the house or outside the house? Yes, Nilesh will start searching first outside. Yes or no? Outside. First, you will see whether it is there at your place or not. Then you know. When you know about this kid behavior, then you start searching outside the house. Yes or no? Yes. Same concept you have to follow here. Whenever any printing statement is there, first find in the local area. First find in the local area. If it is present in the local area, it will print A. If it is not present in the local area of this method, then outside the method area. That is which area? Static area. Are you guys getting? That is the reason we are getting the value as 20, not 10. Are you guys understanding? Yes. If you understood, then I have one more program for you to solve. Always remember, first find inside the particular area, local area, then go for global area if not found. So I'll create one program called as A3 and I'm taking some variable, let's say static int A 10. uh, int A is equals to 10, sorry, 20, and I am saying A is equals to 30 and I am printing A. Go step by step, you will get the solution. If error is there, please write in the that one error is there. If output, please write output. Yes, yes. Okay, now what I'll do, I'll save the code by the name a3.java and I'll try to compile the program. I will write java c a3.java java a3. What we are getting? 30. Okay, let us try to understand in terms of memory or tracing. That will be better. I'll trace some program for you. So observe this please very carefully. I'm telling you the memory interpretation of this entire diagram beautifully. I'll maximize the, oh, I'll take it from white color. Okay, when you compile the program, what will happen? In the static area, this is our static area. In the static area, what will happen? A will get loaded, not a static variable get loaded. How many static variable are there right now? There is only one static variable. So that static variable will get loaded first and then initialize with its default value first. Then it will reinitialize to whatever the value you have given. So what is the final value? That is 10. So it will become 10. Okay, that will happen during the compilation only. Now you are trying to execute a program. So then always execution will start from main method. Now first, what will happen? What is this one? Is it a global variable? Is it a, what is that, static variable? No, that is a local variable. What is that? That is a local variable. So one local variable is created. I will create one local variable a and the value in that will be what? 20. Yes, a and 20. Now next line is a is equals to 30. What is the next line? A is equals to 30. Now very important question. Which a? First it will start searching in the local area. Is there is any a in the local area? Yes, it is there. It is which one? Local or global? It is local. What it will do? It will update this local variable by 30. It will update this local variable by 30. Second line will execute completely. Third line, system.out.println A. Always ask which A. First, start searching A in the local area. Is there is any A? Yes, there is a A. What is that A? This is A. What is the value? 30 is the value. 30 is the value. So what will get printed? 30 only. Okay. Can you guys tell me in that case what I should write to access the static variable? What I should write to access the static variable? Can you guys tell me? Proper syntax. Tell me the proper syntax. Yes, wonderful. Perfect. What is that? A3 dot A. Understood everyone? First, it will always go for the local, if not found for global. That is static one. Clear? You can take the screenshot of this one. Done. What is the need of static variable? Okay, very nice question. Anyone, can you answer this question, please, for Pawan? That what is the need of static variable? Yes, Anita, would you like to say something?
For accessing some variable, common variable into different methods.
Okay, if you forgot, I will tell you. I told that I will tell you the exact working of static variable after 3 4 days. That is the answer of my question. Clear? Don't worry. Don't worry, Pavan. You will learn Java very nicely, but have some patience and listen my words very carefully. Okay. Understood this one? Whatever we have discussed, tomorrow we will do some more nice programs on that variable to get 100% clarity for all the possible scenarios. Clear? Okay, guys. So that's all for today. See you tomorrow. Bye bye. Good night. What you are asking? When OOPS concept will start? Okay. It will start. It will start. Don't worry. Responsible pupil, have you taken the screenshot? Please post it in the Skype group. Yeah, okay, guys, fine. You can leave the session.